This part of the class is the hands-on practical one. This is the basic quilling shapes worksheet on which we are going to work on. I hope you have printed the copy already. I have printed this on regular printer paper, but it is good to have it printed on a cardstock because when we apply glue to the paper will start to wrinkle because of the moisture from the glue. So it is good to have a base that is thicker normally like a cardstock whenever you do a quilling project. And I would suggest you to practice it along with me so that it is easy for you to make. And if you have any doubt, you can just pause the video and try it again. Let's start making the shapes. The first shape is a tight coil. To start, take the quilling strip on one hand and the tool on the other hand. This paper strip I am using here is 5 mm wide, that is cut from cardstock. Now slide the paper strip into the slit in the slotted tool and start rolling. Make sure the paper strip is right inside the slit and start rolling the tool. For guiding the paper, you can use your 3 fingers, your thumb, index and the middle finger of the hand that is holding the paper strip. This helps to guide the paper strip, and you can also do it in your comfortable modified way. Keep rolling until the end of the paper strip. To take the coil out from the tool, push the coil with your thumb of the hand that is holding the tool slowly. Meanwhile, hold the shape and pull out with the other hand. While you are literally new to the art, you may put excess pressure in rolling the coil or pulling them out from the tool, which may cause some unevenness in the coil. But with practice, your hands will learn to exert the right pressure, which is not too loose or not too tight, but the right amount of pressure that is needed. Now the tight coil is done and it's time to glue it. Apply a very tiny dot of glue to the end of the coil. As mentioned earlier, my way of applying glue is taking a little of glue in a non-sticky surface and using a pointed tip like needle tool to apply it. Apply only a little bit of glue and then hold it for few seconds so that it get adhered, and thus the tight coil is done. So when we roll a coil tight and then glue the end, it is called as tight coil. And also sometimes the top surface won't be just straight enough. I mean, it will be uneven because of the rolling which we have done. So to flatten it up, you can use your quilling tool or something cylindrical and make it roll over the tight coil to flatten it up. And so we get a even surface on the tight coil and it will look so perfect. And now the tight coil is done.